Ajaz.
Nice off the back foot. Just using the depth of the crease. That's nicely played. Very, very nicely played. A little bit of time outside the off stump. Ball didn't spin that much. Rocked back.
Might be time for him though. That is a lovely shot from Bابراعظم.
Short and put away. This time he does put it away. Down the track this time. Once again, nicely timed. That will be another 50 for Bابراعظم. He loves this venue and the runs keep flowing for him here at Karachi. 27th half century to his name.
Just drifting into the legs.
Nicely driven. I think it's got the power to get to the boundary as well, and it does.
So any time he gets his length wrong now, Bابراعظم quickly deep in his crease and loves working at leg side. And shy at the stumps, which is going to cost New Zealand 4 overthrows.
It's a big shot. And it's a big 100. It's Babar, and he's been absolutely brilliant. 9th century. What a class act. The 3rd in Karachi. And he gets a standing ovation all around.
Yeah, deserved that.